let's give a round of applause for flag racing bird, Ben. So hello everyone, maayong hapon ninyong tanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's Amphitheater. My name is Irvin and I'll be your host for this show. Our next featured birds, they're just like any best of friends. Pretty cute, right? But sometimes best friends can be competitive. Alright everyone, let's all meet our beautiful pair of blue game. Okay, let's just wait for our birds. Alright, so this right here is blue. Now let's wait for Azul. Now before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now for the boys, let's cheer for blue. Come on boys, say go blue, go blue.
Go blue.
Alright, now for the girls, let's cheer for Azul. Come on girls, say go Azul, go Azul.
Azul and blue.
Okay, so are you guys ready for the basketball game?
Azul and blue.
Alright, the birds ready, set, go. Come on guys, let's cheer for them. Here comes both birds on the table. First ball for birds, second ball for both birds, and for the last one, blue wins this game. That's alright, Azul. So I guess Azul deserves another race. Now let's do a ring race. So the mechanics of this game is the first bird can drop all 3 rings into the bowl. The fastest is the winner. That is a ring race. Okay, so are you guys ready for the second round? Alright, birds ready, set, go. Come on guys, let's cheer for Azul. Here comes blue leading the way. First ring for blue. Second ring, oh hey, what is this? Azul picks up all 3 rings at the same time. How clever was that? Alright, let's give a round of applause for a beautiful pair of blue. We'll call blue and Azul. Okay, now up next, I need an adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Again, I need an adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Can you raise your hand? 20 peso bill. Okay, ma'am. Details. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Okay, ma'am, no matter what will happen, please don't move your arm, okay? Alright, everyone, let's all meet our money bird, Blue. Now, our money bird can detect if the money is fake or not. So, Blue, shall we? There you go. Blue flies over, gets the money. What's next, Blue? Blue flies back to the table, and I guess Blue wants to. There you go, donate your money. So, ma'am, are you okay with that? Sure? You know what, ma'am, we're actually just kidding. It's just part of the show. We'll return your money, but before that, you will have a photo opportunity with Blue for a souvenir. Okay, just follow Junior Christian's instructions. Right, smile and pose together with our money bird, Blue.
God, they're coming. Oh,
Okay, so this right here is red, that is gold. Now let's wait for bandit. Okay, so that right there is bandit. Okay, let's start. The one to your right, Ganeshan, is our green wing macaw bandit. As you can see, his body is covered with mostly red plumage. His wing and tail feathers are colored blue and green. So that macaw has a white picket face, striped with small red feathers. Now bandit's scientific name is Ara Chloroterus. Say a solid shade of yellow on their belly and inner wings. Now their eyes and beak are solid black. Goldie's scientific name is Ararauna. So here's ocean mark. We have three
Picture
black
coming
gold
in
paws.
bird.
So they are blue, azul, and goldie. Sa katulad ko ang klaseng Bulgania, si blue and si azul ko.
Yun na. Touch the bird. Touch the bird. Touch the bird.
Okay, now lastly, here with me is our Eclectus parrot red. Now Eclectus parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning you can easily distinguish if they're male or female parrots. So how do we determine if they're male or female? Now red right here is a female parrot. That is because of her bright red colored feathers. Now as of the males, they have bright green colored feathers. So again, red means female, green means male. Now Eclectus parrots can approximately live up to 30 years old. Meanwhile, banded and goldie, they can live up to 70 years old. Okay, so that is it for three kinds of parrots using ocean mark. So again, we have our green wing buko banded, our Eclectus parrot red, and our blue shape box puzzle is a learned behavior, meaning this is not possible without bandits' intelligence, memory, and perception. So they use this skill in the wild to find food and shelter. As she banded, there you go, pretty intelligent, right? A round of applause for green wing buko bandit. You can do it, Goldie. Okay, Goldie, find an object for us. Where could it be? Goldie searching, scanning each cup. There you go, she found it. A round of applause for the sighted bird, Goldie. So now that we've shown you our macaws, it's time to introduce you our cockatoos. So there are 21 living species of cockatoos spread across the globe. Here is ocean mark. We have three kinds of cockatoos. So we have Tweety, our sulfur crescent cockatoo, Nigel, our umbrella cockatoo, and Snow, our Moluccan cockatoo. So again, you'll get up close and personal with these lovely birds. So cockatoos are birds that are known for their prominent crest and curved beaks. Okay, so that right there is Nigel. This is Tweety, and that is Snow. Okay, let's start. Now here with me is our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety. Now these birds prefer their habitat along the edges of subtropical rainforest. Now they can easily be distinguished through the other white cockatoos by their yellow crest. Okay, so this is their crest. Now their scientific name is Kakatua galerita. Up next, right there with Junior PJ is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Umbrella cockatoos are also called great white cockatoos.
No.
Now they're called umbrella cockatoos. That is because of the long white crest that raises like an umbrella. Isa ka ng crest ni Nigel, if musaka na siya, wala siyang umbrella. Now Nigel's scientific name is Kakatua alba. If you were to compare Tweety and Nigel, we can really see that Tweety has a yellow crest. Meanwhile, Nigel right there is a pale white crest. Now lastly is our Moluccan cockatoos. No. Moluccan cockatoos can be found in the Seram archipelago of eastern Indonesia. They are the largest of all the white cockatoo species. Now they are also called salmon-crested cockatoos. That is because of their pinkish white-colored feathers. Now in general, cockatoos raise their crest as a form of communication and expressing their mood, whether they are frightened, excited, or during mating. Now Tweety and Nigel, they can live up to 40 years old. Meanwhile, Snow, or Moluccan cockatoo, he can live up to 70 years old. Okay, so that is it for our three kinds of cockatoo series of ocean mark. So again, we have our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety, our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, and our Moluccan cockatoo Snow.
I guess yun na.
loves mathematics. Everyone knows addition, right? Well, the next part of the show will leave most people baffled and amazed, even as trainers. But before proceed, I'll be needing two numbers from you guys between 1 to 20. Any numbers please between 1 to 20. Pila? Pila? 13? 13.
Ang galing.
Okay, how about from this side? 8. Okay, so our equation is 13 plus 8. We all know the answer, right? But we must not tell the answer yet. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve the equation. But before that, let me just shuffle the numbers first.
Water, ah. Oh, it's a bird.
Okay, there you go. No numbers have been shuffled. Let's all meet our mathematical wizard, Snow. So again, Snow is our Moluccan cockatoo. Now, Snow equation is 13 plus 8. Okay, Snow? Okay na? Alright, Snow, solve the equation first. Ooh, there you go. Snow gets number 2. Is the first number correct? Okay. Snow, complete your answer. There you go. So 13 plus 8 is equals to 21. Right? Let's give a round of applause for our mathematical wizards. No.
No. A bird, no? Serving equation.
Now the next birds that we'll show you, they're very different from all the other colorful parrots. They're called birds of prey, also known as raptors. Now raptor came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or take by force. These birds are characterized by their excellent flying ability and keen vision. So around the world there are 446 kinds of raptors. Here is the ocean park, we have 2 kinds of raptors. We have a Raptor Kingdom in the Philippines, serpent eagle, Freddy. Now before we call in the raptors, may I request everyone to please settle down. And if the birds will pass above you, please do not raise your hand, okay? Again, if the birds will pass above you, please do not raise your hand. Alright, thank you so much. Okay, now first up, let's all welcome our Brahminicae Kingdom. There you go. Now Brahminicae is scientifically known as Heliastor indus. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia, Southeast Asia, Australia, and even here in the Philippines. In Australia, they're called sea eagles. Meanwhile, here in the Philippines, they're locally known as lawin or banok in the Visayas region.
Wow, lupad.
As you can see, guys, both our trainers are wearing a glove called a falconry gauntlet. So that is used to protect their hand from their sharp talons and beak. Okay, there you go. Let's give a round of applause for Brahminicae Kingdom. Now, in the world